old but gold. 1980 C10. He's been fixing it over the years, little by little. I love it. The more patina it has, like holes and stuff, the cleaner it looks to us. All you gotta do is spray some clear coat all over it, sand it down, spray some clear coat. This thing would look so clean. Anyways, he just got it running right and then brought it to us. I love the wheels. What do you guys think? Would these wheels look good on a 1969 Coupe de Ville Cadillac? Let me know in the comments, because I've got a Coupe de Ville convertible that I'm thinking to buy these wheels for. I think that'd be really nice. It'll give it that white tire look from the old days with the black tires, Anyways, back to our conversation. So it's got a 350. He did this somewhere else when they did the headers for him, fixed it all up. 2.5-inch pipe there and there. We ordered 2 Borla ProXSs and installed it for him there and there. Part number 40352. There'll be a link in the description for him. And then 2 tailpipes, 2.5 out the back, custom bent by us. And finished off with angle cut 3x16, 3.5-inch tips there and there. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's the 2 stock mufflers that were on it that we cut off. All right, here we go. Chevy C10 with a 350 Borla ProXS True Duals. Go ahead. Perfect. He didn't want it crazy loud. He wanted a nice deep tone. We gave it to him. So much better. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 90. 99. Keeps going up. Again. Right at 101. 101. 104. Not bad. Back it up. If you guys don't know, located in Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital. I know I'm going in circles, sorry guys. And Due West Avenue, right between them. Yeah, those wheels would look clean on it. Nice patina, nice standstill. So we solved the problem with this truck because her daughter was complaining of too much drone. That's why we went with the Borla ProXSs on it. That will help a lot, and we took it from under the car all the way over the rear end and out the back. This solves a lot of the drone problems on these trucks. So just keep that in mind, guys. She was complaining of too much drone. We fixed it. I'm gonna let you guys hear on the inside now. I like those tires. I like those wheels. Sorry for the wind, guys. We have wind jackets on them, on our mic. It's just a windy day. That's perfect. Enjoy, guys. Borla ProXS solves the issue with drone. Go get you some.